Welcome back. This is a 3-day recap of my time spent in Laos. 2 days kind of wasted and 1 day got to actually travel around, so stay tuned. If you're thinking of doing a similar route like we did, crossing Thailand's border to Laos, this is what we did. So what happened was we wasted 2 days in Laos trying to get to our destination. We took the slow boat, which cost us 400,000 kip, equivalent to $27 to $28. So we took the slow boat via the Mekong River, which is the third largest river in Asia. The mountain view was amazing, but the boat was way too crowded. We had a ticket given out with the seat numbers, but there was no seating. So we went there, our ticket number was like 200 something. And when we went there was only a seating number up to 130 something. So yes, was not well organized. Some people were standing. The toilet was not that clean either. So I wouldn't suggest it if you don't like that kind of vibe. But yes, unless you really like the mountain views, like taking it slow and have a lot of time to go on the slow boat for 16 hours. Because you're basically sitting in the boat for 8 hours, stay overnight midway, and then another 8 hours on the boat until you reach Long Prabang, which is our end destination. Earlier, that was just explaining how we didn't realize we had to stop and stay overnight midway, and we did not book a place or accommodation to stay at all. There was 4 of us, so it was so hard finding an accommodation. We literally went up the street and asked every single places. No one had any room. Luckily, we found a place to stay. Otherwise, we would have been homeless while on holiday. Another worst thing was carrying our luggages up those steep stairs, which was not safe at all. But yes, we made it. We survived. Welcome back. Day 2 in Laos. Didn't get to really video much for day 1, and now we're here at Luang Prabang finally. So we're staying here for the night before we fly again tomorrow to Cambodia. Walking through the night market where they sell a lot of items, foods, and now we're heading back to the food section to buy some food and more food maybe. Beer Lao Premium Lager. We got an alcohol of wine. Jump my own side of the day. Vô đi cà phê. Bên cái cà phê. Bạn đi xe không? Không. Dạ. Siêu ống xèo.
Kháng ôi. Đập ram phệ rồi ta.
Đập ram rất kháng.
Mình ha sắp phệ rồi đấy. Đừng mặt đèo. Bạn phải.
Đôi ta.
Nào rút chân mày đây. Thật. Rồi. Ô khương climb tầm
đang bị sao
một sạ sạch cô mày đây
khai cô
mày đậu
lại mà làm
ông lên đây mà chị ngay
mình đây là em to mà chu gì chọc có một đây nào chọc trắng nhé ngắn. Welcome back to day 3 in Laos today, and we are gonna be heading to Kuang Waterfall, if I'm pronouncing it right. So yeah, stay tuned. And we're also gonna be leaving Laos today as well, back to Cambodia. I was gonna go back and get my jacket, but without my jacket, it's kind of freezing at the moment. Okay, so we just arrived here now. The drive was about 5 minutes drive from where we bought the ticket, so not too far. I'm out of breath already. But yeah, we're here, really nice so far. The trees are really nice. Suns are shining through, so hopefully it'll get a bit warmer once we get up there. Don't know how long it's going to take, but our driver said it may take about half an hour, so hopefully it'll be around that time and no longer than 1 hour back there and back then. I mean, going there and back. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh man, hai cái gậy nữa nè. Hai cái.
Thì rồi này.
Nó dành cho nhận nó cao vậy.
Cocktail.
Cocktail. No too. It's too sore from the slip. It's just way too steep for me to get up because from the fall that I had, it hurts so much when I take a high step. Even this direction is just too steep for me to go any further. I only took like a few steps upwards and then I'm gonna head back down. My sister's already left. Oh, my sister and my uncle already got up. Oh my god, I don't even know how to get down. There's not really a proper step. It's just, yeah, you could probably slip very easily. So I ain't taking the risk of going up there. I'm going back down. I'll cherish the waterfall down there. It's nice enough. Getting my sister to take some videos so I can show you guys what it looks like from the top. But that's it for me. I'm retiring now. Here's my uncle going strong, yet there's me like an old lady. Ôi trời. original เลยอันนี้ original เหลือดำเนาะอย่าล้างรู้ชื่อ
really thick.
ชอบไปดินะละเอาเจอกันละห้องล้าง
Việt Nam đang chơi ông trong làng riêng lại xưa không cho riêng lại đấy.
They just got back down. Apparently it's really nice. You can swim there. There's also this cave that you can also go to. So sorry guys, I failed to be a trip advisor for this place. But yeah, come check it out yourself. It's really nice. Yeah, I'll for a bit of a swim too. We're at this other waterfall, which is the same place, but a little drive to this so yeah, it's okay. Pretty good. There's a huge picture too much to look at.
Cái fry chua chua chén này nè. Trời.
You're saying?
Fry chén. Đi ai đi.
It's quite hot. It's quite hot now in the direction. This is nice.
Like it? No. Oh, banana okay. Banana okay. Lập tới okay đây. No, doesn't like it.
I got caught up with the cat, so there's no footage of the buffalo. But we did try this buffalo ice cream, which kind of tastes awful. It kind of has a strong taste and smell, so I didn't really like it. Back to Cambodia. See the family there, the cruise. It's quite quiet, I should say. So yeah, another 2 hours drive to the province. Probably over 2 hours drive, so we'll get there around 12.